Hi, hello, namaste. So once again, welcome to my channel. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel for the more videos. So in this video, I am going to tell you guys some most important things you need to bring while traveling to Philippines as a medical student. So and also you can ask me doubts in any language, either Hindi, English, or Telugu, and Urdu. Okay, you can ask me any languages that I given. So without any delay, let's move on the video. So first of all, medicines, guys. So while coming here, you must bring some medicines. What medicines? Some small medicines like paracetamol, cetirizine, bioflu, like this monetary cost. So here the cost is it's very cheap now here. So one paracetamol is about 3 pesos, means up to 6 rupees one paracetamol. Cetirizine also 1 rupee 1 pesos. Okay, so these are very cheap. But what about some antibiotics, antifungal, antipsychotic drugs, antiplatelet drugs? Okay, what about that? So if you want this antibiotic drugs, suppose I went to a pharmacist and I asked, sir, can you please give me azithromycin? Did she directly gives to me? No. If you want to buy a antibiotic, antifungal, any psychotic drugs, you need a prescription form. So I have to go to a nearby doctor, okay, and I will ask him to, sir, can you please prescribe me azithromycin? So he will prescribe you, and you have to give it for a doctor 1,000 to 1,500 pesos for the consult. So he will prescribe you the like azithromycin, amoxicillin. Then only if you have prescription form, then only your pharmacist will give the drug, give the medicine like azithromycin, antibiotics, okay. So see, and also one azithromycin, one antibiotic is how much, it's 100 pesos. 100 pesos means it's about 150 rupees. It's very costly. And also while bringing the medicines from the India, okay, please don't bring too much. Okay, if you bring too much without the prescription form, if you want to bring medicines, you have to go to your nearby doctor and please and send and tell him like this. So I'm going here further. So please can you please prescribe me? Can you please give me prescription form? Okay. Because why? Because in like some airports like Singapore, okay, they will ask you to, and they will scan your bags. So if you have too much medicines, they will take that and then never gives to you unless you have prescription form. Okay, so please don't forget to bring prescription form. Okay, and also if you have some like dust eye allergies and also eye swelling problems, you can bring some eye drops. Okay, and also bring like Vicks, Jandu Bomb. Okay, that is also. That's it. Next, moving to tab or laptop. Which one is best? For the first year students, the laptop is very best for them, because in first year we have very hectic work, like we have research, we have different types of activities in physiology. So for them laptop is best. Okay, from second year onwards, tab is best. So when you coming here, just decide, okay, what you're going to bring. So just you see, laptop means you can do anything, any project work. Okay, it's good for you. And tab also it's good, but you can't do the project work in that in clearly. So according to me, laptop is best. Okay, and then guys, notebooks. Next on notebooks. See, this is the notebook I have bought from the India. This is the camel living, like this notebook. You know, here in Philippines you can't find this type of notebook. Okay, you'll find the only rule book. Okay, rule book. So you don't have this type of book here. So it's better to bring as much as possible. It's a 10 to 12 notebooks. Okay, please bring 10 to 12 notebooks. Okay, for the 1 year or 2 years. Okay, please bring that. Okay, don't forget. Okay, next guys, specs. If you are wearing specs, specs will be mandatory. Please bring 2 pairs of specs. Okay, and also blankets. Bring blankets, 1 or 2 blankets. Okay, and shoe guys, black shoes. Okay, not formal black shoes for college. Only black shoes is allowed. Okay, formal black shoe and black socks. Only black socks, not a blue or red. Okay, if you go to college, the security guard will just he will tell you to show the socks. Okay, if you wear blue, he will return you. Okay, so please don't forget to bring the black shoes. Okay, next guys, ATM card. ATM card is must and should. Okay, for me, by my experience, it's better to bring Canara Bank. Okay, Canara Bank is best here in Philippines. Canara Bank, Andhra Bank, SBI Bank. Okay, you prefer this. Okay, according to me, you prefer Canara Bank and the Andhra Bank. Okay, that's about ATM cards. So next is textbook. Or I mean, if you are going to join in MD first year, okay, it's better to bring from India only. Okay, the first year textbook will cost around 15,000 rupees. Okay, so it's better to bring from India only, because here the textbooks are very, very costly. Okay, next textbooks. Next, soaps, Indian. You know, here there is no Indian brands in Philippines, and you know, here we are having so many Indian restaurants and Indian grocery shop. But you know, for example, the Lifebuoy soap in India is 50 rupees. Okay, you know here how much is? It will be 150 pesos. It's 200 per one soap. So it's better to bring some more soaps and shampoo. Okay, that's it. Next, needle, sui dhaga. Better to bring needle and thread. Okay, because if you get some small tear, so we can repair with the help of our sui and dhaga. Okay, and next pickles guys. If you are coming here, please try to bring some pickles, so it will come up to a long days. Okay, any type of pickles you can bring if you want to, then only. Okay, and also if you want to cook here sometimes, so it's better to bring induction stoves. Okay, from India, it's better now. It's very cheap only. Okay, so these are the things that you have to must and should bring. And also guys, here there is no winter season here. Here is only summer and rainy season. No need to bring sweaters. Okay, no need to bring sweater. Just bring no need to bring sweaters. Okay, then so these are the things which I wanted to tell you guys. Okay, so thank you. If you have any more other questions, just comment here. I will reply. Thank you.